Welcome to today's tutorial on reducing a rational expression to its lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on simplifying the expression x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Stay tuned as we walk through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression and express it in its most simplified form. Let's get started. Step 1. The first step is to factor the numerator, which is x squared minus 1, and recognize that it is a difference of squares. The difference of squares factors into the form x plus a times x minus a. Here, a is 1, so the numerator x squared minus 1 becomes x plus 1 times x minus 1. The expression is now x plus 1 times x minus 1 over x plus 1. Step 2. Now that we have factors in the numerator and denominator, we notice that both the numerator and the denominator contain the same factor of x plus 1. We can cancel out this common factor from both the numerator and the denominator. After canceling, we are left with x minus 1. This means the simplified form of the original rational expression x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1 is simply x minus 1. This is the final step.